They're taking selfie in front of, what is that statue? I don't know.
It's
all naked,
all
man.
naked.
All naked. Look now, I'm at the Moscow now. There's ghost house here. This is fucking scary. Look fucking scary. Walking down the street of New York. You can see the whole view of London Bridge. My world tour arrived. The famous Eiffel Tower. Woo! I feel so cold in Egypt. I don't know why. The Great Taj Mahal is over here. Woo! Wow, look at it. I'm in Sydney, Australia. Look, check it out, check it out. Check it out, the bridge over here. Now I reach Japan. This is literally the Great Wall of China. And the world tour is officially over. Yo, this is really amazing. World tour in just one day. And we went every single 7 wonders of the world and many cool. Now I'm gonna put my glass on. Today, the last day at Beijing. Beijing is really amazing, really savage. Yo, we're about to leave Beijing right now. Where is Taiyuan? Now, and the most amazing thing, the most enchanting is their police car is Audi A6L. Taiyuan is a very nice place. Taiyuan airport right now. Taiyuan everywhere is beautiful. They're well decorated. And I saw a supercar.
What's up? Good morning. I'm at the Taiyuan airport. We are about to leave Taiyuan to Kunming. I haven't slept last night. I slept around 1 hour. I was fucking tired.